जिले नलगुंडे में साइंस फेयर का इनेकाद अमल में लाया गया। 28 फरवरी को टिमरीज के ज़ेर-ए-एहतमाम नेशनल साइंस डे मनाया गया, जिसमें 8वीं क्लास के तालिब-इल्म मोहम्मद यहिया परवेज़ ने ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन मिशन पर प्रोजेक्ट बनाया, जिसकी प्रिंसिपल और बाकी स्टाफ मेंबर्स ने जमकर तारीफ़ की। इस मौके पर प्रिंसिपल मिस्टर एस वेणुगोपाल ने सीवी रमन के इजाज़ात के बारे में बयान किया और उन्होंने साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट के बारे में भी बताया। उन्होंने स्पेस रिसर्च में इसरो के शिरकतों के बारे में भी रोशनी डाली।
From 8th standard studying in Temries, Nalgonda, Boys 1. On the occasion of Science Day, Nature Science Day, my project is green hydrogen. Green hydrogen means eco-friendly energy project. You can see solar plates which produce solar energy, windmills which produce wind energy. By this, two are renewable resources which we have stored in power plant. This electricity is used in electrolysis process. In this process, the water will fall from water project. For this water project, the water molecules will split into oxygen and hydrogen. This hydrogen is called green hydrogen, which is not enter our atmosphere. And this hydrogen we have to store in this hydrogen plant. Now coming to advantage of hydrogen plants. Hydrogen is very useful to various sectors like houses, fertilizer factories, industries, and hydrogen filling station. First, houses. In replacement of LPG gases, if you use hydrogen gas, it is good and less expensive. After that, coming to industries, to avoid sulfur pollutions, if you use hydrogen gas, no pollutants is released. After coming to fertilizer factories, now actually we are using ammonia. It releases nitrogen pollutants. If you use hydrogen in this factory, then no pollutant will release. After that, coming to diesel, nowadays we are using diesel petrol. By that, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are released. If you use hydrogen under vehicles, then no pollution has, no pollutants and pollution is released. So that this is called green hydrogen. This is green hydrogen. This is very great and good project. So that our government of India initiated this project in this year, 2023-24, and allotted 19,700 crores. Through this, India will achieve net zero emission by 2070. The great aim of our India is to see pollution-free India, pollution-free country in the world. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shankar sir, and thank you, Principal, to give this opportunity.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, हेलो, हाय, आदाब एवरीवन। दोस्तों, मैं आपका दोस्त शहबाज खान। आप देख रहे हैं TNT न्यूज़ और देखते रहिए TNT न्यूज़। थैंक यू।